Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we will show you how to remove and replace the float sensor on this GE dishwasher.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, open the door. The float sensor is located in the bottom of the dishwasher. Remove the bottom rack. With the rack removed, take out the 1/4-inch screw located on the back of the float sensor cover. With the screw removed, pull the cover off and set it aside. Remove the float by pulling it straight off. This repair is generally done with the dishwasher installed, but for the purpose of this video, we have removed the dishwasher and laid it on its back. Remove the wiring connector by squeezing the tab and pulling straight off. Remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the float sensor to the dishwasher. Once the screws are removed, pull the sensor out and set it aside. Finally, remove the float arm by pulling it straight out of the bottom of the dishwasher. To install the float sensor, start by inserting the float arm into the opening. Take note that the sensor could be installed incorrectly. Be sure to line up the button on the sensor with the protrusion on the float arm. Insert the screws through the holes on the sensor, line it up, and tighten the 2 Phillips screws. Install the wiring connector. The connector is keyed, so it can only fit on in one orientation. Now, check to make sure the float arm is actuating the switch properly by pressing down gently on the arm and listening for the clicking sound. Next, set the bobber in place so the hole in the center lines up with the arm. Replace the cover by lining up the notch in the front and the screw hole in the rear. Reinstall the 1/4-inch screw to hold it in place. Finally, reinstall the bottom rack and close the door. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.